Hey you, and welcome to this video. Today we will help you out by showing you how to bait or lure animals with you in Minecraft. This is actually surprisingly easy, a lot easier than you may think. So what you want for the pig, you want to grab a carrot, and for cows or sheep you want to collect some wheat, which you can grow from wheat seeds, of course. Let's plant those back nice and easy. So we can show it off with this carrot right here. Let's put it in our left hand, and as you can see, the pig's gonna follow me straight away. Now I don't really need any pigs, I don't use them for anything, but cows I do use. So let's find one of those, or a sheep or whatever. Yeah, there's a sheep right over here. Come here, buddy. And as you can see, this little fellow right here is just gonna follow me along. And yeah, you can take them with you, then put them in a cage or like a nice barn or something. You can breed them, you can shear them for their wool, whatever you want, they're pretty much yours. Let's give this one some food, because why not? Alright, that's pretty much all there is to this video. As I said, it's shockingly easy. If we could help you out, please consider subscribing, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.